Check out this channel. It started on December 2023, and it gained 1.62 million subscribers by just uploading 52 videos. Now this one, it gained 1.49 million by just uploading 34 videos. And there are so many channels like this. These channels have quickly gained millions of followers, reaching major milestones in just a few months or even days. YouTube channels focused on cat videos have seen incredible growth. They've gone from simple clips of adorable cats to more complex content made with the help of AI. The key to their popularity lies in making cats seem more human by putting them in everyday situations like going to work or school, getting into accidents, encountering robbers. These funny and engaging stories, paired with catchy background music, have captured audiences worldwide. With the assistance of ChatGPT 3.5, video creators can easily come up with entertaining storylines featuring a fluffy ginger cat as the main character. This not only grabs the audience's attention, but also resonates with them on a personal level, showcasing the potential of AI in creating viral content. This approach provides a blueprint for those looking to dominate social media platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Let's delve into the process of creating a cat video using everyday scenarios. For our example, let's consider a story about a cat whose son is sick and needs money for treatment. Utilizing ChatGPT 3.5, I streamlined the process by inputting instructions based on the reference video, including analyzing scenes such as, he is sitting on a bench in a jail, his son is sick and laying on the bed in a hospital. ChatGPT quickly generated a synopsis, even naming the characters. Now copy the first scene and ask ChatGPT to create an image. Unfortunately, ChatGPT 3.5 could not generate the image, but it will give you a prompt for the image. I am going to ask ChatGPT for a more detailed prompt for the image. Next, I am going to use Copilot to generate images based on each scene's storyboard description. Now copy and paste the prompt from ChatGPT to Copilot. This process was repeated until all images were generated. If any image was unsatisfactory, you can ask Copilot to regenerate it, and it will give different results. Now I am going to download copyright-free background music. I will be using Chosic Music. You can download copyright-free background music totally for free, but remember to give credit by pasting this into your description. You can also use the YouTube library. Then I used Premiere Pro for video editing, but you can use CapCut or DaVinci to edit the video. I then imported all the generated images and arranged them according to the storyboard sequence. Adjustments were made to match the duration of the reference video, and transitions were added between each image for a professional touch. Finally, our cat video was complete.
We're so happy you stuck around till the end of the video. Your support really means a lot to us. Thank you for spending your time with us and being a part of our community. We can't wait to see you in the next one.